Symptoms of serious diseases and health problem facts. In this video, I will tell you some genuine sickness and their indication. So it means that I will tell you some serious diseases and also its serious consequences and symptoms. For example, side effects of stomach or stomach related issues are incorporate rectal dying, blood in the stool or dark stools, changes in enteral propensities or not having the option to control gut, indication of coronary failure or agony, pressing factor, crushing sensation of totality in the focal point of the chest that keeps going in excess of a couple of moments, torment of uneasiness in different space of the chest area, windedness, cold perspirations, incorporate sickness or tipsiness. Side, side effects of skin issue remember changes for skin model, continuous flushing and redness of face and neck, jaundice, skin sores, and also moles on the skin. Please subscribe. Indication of stroke incorporate facial hanging, arm shortening, trouble with discourse, and it also included quickly creating wooziness or equilibrium, abrupt deadness or shortcoming, loss of vision, disarray, or serious cerebral pain.